In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rounded rectangle in After Effects. We're going to make a clean, professional rounded rectangle using the built-in shape layer controls, so you get perfectly smooth corners without any guesswork. This is a simple technique you can use for buttons, lower thirds, backgrounds, or UI elements, and it gives you precise, non-destructive control over the corner radius. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar at the top of the interface. If you see a different shape, click and hold to reveal the shape options and choose the rectangle. You can also tap the shortcut key to cycle through shapes until you land on the rectangle. Make sure the rectangle icon is visible before you draw. Before you draw anything, check your timeline and make sure no layer is selected. This part is important. If a layer is highlighted, After Effects will create a mask on that layer instead of a new shape layer, and you won't get the roundness control we need. To deselect, click an empty area in the timeline or tap the deselect shortcut. When nothing is selected, you're ready to draw a proper shape. Now move to the composition panel and draw your rectangle by clicking and dragging. You can hold shift if you want a perfect square. Don't worry about getting the size exactly right on the first try. We can refine it using properties in a moment. Place it where you want it visually and release the mouse to create a new shape layer automatically. In the timeline, open the newly created shape layer to reveal its contents. Drill down through contents, then rectangle 1, and find rectangle path 1. This is the parametric path that controls the rectangle's size, position, and the key setting we're after. If you're seeing only transform settings, keep expanding until you reach rectangle path 1 specifically. Adjust the roundness value inside rectangle path 1. As you increase roundness, the sharp corners become smoother and more rounded. Higher numbers produce more curvature. If you push it far enough on a square, it will approach a circle, and on a wider rectangle, it creates a capsule-like pill shape. Choose a value that fits your design, whether that's a subtle 10 to 20 pixels for a modern UI look or something more pronounced for a friendly, soft style. If you don't see roundness, it usually means a mask or a Bezier path was created. Simply redraw with no layer selected to get the correct control. That's it. You've selected the rectangle tool, ensured nothing was selected, drew the shape in the composition, opened rectangle path 1, and fine-tuned roundness for smooth corners. Try a few values to see what